Hi, guys. Welcome back to another week of school. I hope that you had a nice and restful spring break and that you're coming back ready to do these assignments with some good energy. All right, so now I'm going to talk to you about your instructions for your assignments this week. Okay, so first, you need to remember to log into Canvas every day first because that is tracking attendance. If you have trouble doing this, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Second, I need for you to complete assignments for this week in this order. Your first activity is an end of the Cold War blend space. We're going to wrap up the Cold War this week. Your second activity is one that I'm hoping you might have a little fun with. I'm asking you to recreate a historical scene or to do an IXL activity. So you can choose which one you would like to do. I've put all of the instructions for this in Google Classroom. So take a look at it and let me know if you have any questions. The third activity I want you to do is a DOW about the space race that you learned about the week before spring break. All the assignments are going to be due on Friday, just as normal. Be sure that you get them all taken care of and turned in. Tomorrow, I'm going to provide a link to a video where I'm going to teach you a little bit about the end of the Cold War, and there will be a form where you will answer some questions. It should take you less than 10 minutes to complete. Other than that, email me if you have any questions at all. I really, really miss seeing you guys every day. I miss seeing your faces, and I hope that you're doing well. I'm thinking about all of you more than you know. Again, let me know if you have any questions. All right. Bye, guys. Take care. Clear eyes, full heart.